Okay guys, today I have a video to make for you guys, and this is a product which I'm going to do a giveaway. First of all, I wanted to talk about this product. I basically received this product from one of the resellers and it's a pretty good product. That's the end game of the product. So it's basically a vlogging kit for your YouTube channel, or even if you're just making videos and you want to use your mobile phone. It's a brilliant product, really liked it. Show you how it works, how it looks, the packaging and everything. And I'm going to do sort of a trial outside to see the stability and the voice quality. So guys, just to quickly let you know, there's a bit of information on the side which tells you that it's mini and lightweight. It supports iOS, Android, easy to install, CNC processing, super cardioid pattern. So because of the microphone, it's a cardioid microphone, so it'll be good for your vlogging setup. So without any delay, guys, let's go into it and let's unbox it and see what comes in the box. I've just unboxed it and it comes in this carry case, fitted in the box, and let's go ahead and open up the carry case. Few things. The first thing is the leaflet, warranty card, tripod. So the build quality looks pretty much fine. It doesn't look cheap at all. Matte finish. We have this grip where you will fix your phone. Now I'm going to test my Samsung. I have the Samsung S8 Plus. So this is how it will look. There is a microphone, there is the jack which will connect from the microphone to your mobile phone, and it comes with dead cat as well, which you need to put over the microphone in case if you are going to use this microphone outside. You need this. It's the CVM-VM10, that's the sort of shock mount as well for it. The build quality is very good. Seriously, it doesn't seem to be cheap in any way. I mean, if you meticulously even look at the screws and everything, it's all built very well. I can't really say that this is not a well-built product. The threading inside is very neat. Finishing, the material looks solid. It's plastic and metal a little bit, but mostly it's plastic. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and fit this on. So literally that just slides on the grip stand, and all you have to do is you have to go ahead and tighten that part up. This is the setup for vlogging on your mobile phone. As I said guys, it looks pretty cool, and you can see that first thing is that you can use it in this way. You can just hold it in that way. You can vlog, you can record a video from the other side, and you have the shotgun mic to yourself. Now instead of carrying a DSLR, I think that this is a very good option if you want something which is very handy on the go. Obviously lots of mobile phones, they've got image stabilization, so you can, if you don't want to use your DSLR and a Joby Gorilla Pod and a Rode microphone, so this gear is very simple, very smart, and you would be having the capability of making excellent videos with this setup. And it looks very sleek and looks neat, and it looks professional. So that's the biggest thing. Now we need to check out the audio quality and the image quality while vlogging on the Samsung. I'll do it without the microphone and with the microphone, and obviously I'll do a handheld of the video, and I'll do a video on this tripod, and we'll match the difference to see how it is. So guys, let's go ahead and let's test it out then. So guys, I'm out here as you can see in the park, and I'm going to test the rig, the Filmmaker kit, or whatever you can call it, for the mobile phone. So I have the microphone connected to the Samsung, and I'm right now filming on my iPhone 10, so I'm gonna switch to the Samsung now. So guys, right now I'm using the Samsung S8 Plus, and I have rigged it on the COMICA. So I'm holding it by the lower part. Just to show you here guys, this is how far it is, assuming that it's not too far, and I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but I am recording on my Samsung S8 Plus. Yeah guys, so I mean, I'm not sure about the audio quality. We'll put it into Final Cut Pro and then edit it and see if there is any difference in the audio quality. Now I'm just going to switch to the front facing camera. Okay guys, right now I'm using the front facing camera on the S8 Plus, and I am now
on the opposite side of the wind, and this side is the wind now. And let's see how the audio quality is on this COMICA microphone rigged up on the stand from COMICA. This whole kit seems to be quite good. It's not really heavy to carry, but obviously it's not giving that sort of depth of field, because generally in vlogging you would need depth of field. If you don't have the depth of field, so you won't be able to capture a lot of the scene. Okay guys, right now I've removed the COMICA mic, which is attached onto the clamp, which is obviously rigged on to the Samsung S8 Plus. I am walking towards the wind, and I'm not sure if the voice quality or the audio is being recorded properly. So I made a clip before, and you guys can compare the difference without the shotgun mic and with the shotgun mic. So guys, this was my quick video on the COMICA Filmmaker kit, you may call it, and I am now going to end this video, and you guys tell me what difference do you feel if you rig it up on the stand and you use the microphone with it. It might be helpful for some people, it might not be, or you might be using your own phone. So leave your comments in the comment section below and I will reply back to you. As you guys know, this Filmmaker kit, I have put it on to a giveaway. I would like you guys to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's see who the next winner is on this set of giveaway. Alright guys, bye for now.